Have you been confessed in Japanese by a weird weeaboo? Do you want to know how to turn him down and crush his soul with just a few simple words? Well, today we are going to learn exactly that. How to turn down a guy in Japanese. Let's go. So, we're going to learn 3 ways how to turn down a hentai-loving e-boy. The first way is to be simply sincere with him and say, "Gomennasai." Repeat after me. "Gomennasai." Now, are you really sorry? No, but we don't need to hurt his feelings. Now, Japanese people have always had a hard time saying no. It is no different in this situation. "Gomennasai" is the most straightforward answer you can give to them. "Gomennasai." The second way is to devalue them. We accomplish that by saying "Kimo." Repeat after me. Kimo. Remember, the way you deliver it is important. And use facial expression. This shows disgust and shows their actions have brought a bad taste to your mouth. Like finding out your uncle used to sell candy from his van. Anyway, you completely ignore the courage and effort that they have put into confessing to you by using your superior Japanese skills, and you destroy their soul, their will to live, and their ego. Finally, the last way to reject them is to devalue yourself. That's right. Make yourself less desirable so they run away. So how do we do that? Say they are a straight male. The quickest way to turn them off is to say "Watashi wa CHINKO wo motte imasu" or "Watashi wa CHINKO ga arimasu." They both mean that I have a dick. But the first one can be interpreted as "I am holding a dick." And that is intimidating if you ask me. Just like flopping it around. By saying this, we can overpower them with our big dick energy. And they will be running away. So we've learned 3 ways of rejecting them. Let's go over it again. We have "Gomennasai," "Kimo," and "Watashi wa CHINKO wo motte imasu." Have fun using these words and phrases. And on that note, thanks for watching, and I love you all. Bye bye.